What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Adobe Media Encoder to your After Effects application to help render projects. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Notepad application by searching for it in your Start menu search. On this window, paste this command. You can copy it from the description below. Make sure to type the correct year of your Media Encoder version. Mine is 2020 and therefore I will write 2020 at the end of the code. If you have a different version, let's say 2019, you have to replace 2020 with 2019. Now, open the file location of your Media Encoder application and copy this file path in the address bar. Paste this file path back into the Notepad command and copy the complete code. When this is done, open up your command prompt by searching for CMD in your Start menu search and open it as an administrator. On this window, paste the command we just created and hit enter. This will allow the Adobe Media Encoder app to be connected with After Effects. Simply launch After Effects, and when trying to export a project, you should be able to locate the Media Encoder option. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.